Hi everyone, I'm Cosmin. Today on Dessertophilia, I'm showing you how to make a beautiful powder pink mascarpone cream that you can use to decorate, fill, or even serve next to a slice of cake. Aside from being 100% sugar-free, it's also sturdy enough to keep its shape for the entire day. To obtain that sturdiness, I use just a little bit of powdered milk. So let's get to it. In my mixing bowl, I have 100 grams of mascarpone and 100 milliliters of whipping cream. Both are fridge cold. And to these, I'm adding 10 grams of powdered erythritol and 2 grams of powdered milk. I'm using a teaspoon to push them through a strainer because powdered erythritol is really lumpy. I'm mixing a bit with a mixer without starting it, just to loosen up the mascarpone. Then I start it at medium speed and then at high speed and keep mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes to medium peak. And then I'm adding 20 grams of seedless sugar-free raspberry jam. So delicious. You can see that beautiful delicate pink come through. For a little bit more color, add 10 grams more of jam, but don't go for more because it'll change the texture of the cream. And you're done. That's it. It's that easy. Now fill a piping bag, fit it with a tip you like. I'm using a Russian ball tip here, and you can see how sturdy the frosting is. Pipe it on cupcakes, serve it next to a slice of bundt cake, use it to fill a cake, decorate with it. It's suited for anything. Just look at that beautiful texture. And as you can see, when moving and tilting the plate, it stays in place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, Dessertophiles.